Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying your identity and linking a bank so Acorns can move money. Once done, transfer a one-time amount or schedule recurring deposits. This funds buys. Make sure you select the correct account type, taxable or IRA, because tax treatment differs. While doing this, pick a portfolio or individual investment option. That choice drives which stocks or ETFs appear. You're setting the foundation, so orders will execute smoothly when you place them. You now choose what to buy. Tap the Invest tab and scan portfolios or search a ticker to find individual stocks or ETFs. Once you see the listing, check price, recent volume, and the expense ratio for funds so you understand costs. Next, decide whether to enter a dollar amount or percentage of your available cash, and pick market order for immediate fills or a limit order to control price. This step balances speed versus price certainty, so choose based on your goals. You're ready to place the order. Review the summary, confirm the amount and any fees, then hit submit. After submission, monitor the order status and activity. Market orders usually fill quickly, while limit orders wait until price matches. Make sure funds are settled. Unsettled deposits can block trades. If an order fails, check that your bank link is active, you haven't hit daily transfer limits, and that you met minimums. If problems persist, contact Acorns support for resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.